Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 29th, 2021. Four firms sign up to invest in Dar es Salaam's mining. This article is taken from the East African. Tanzania seeks to increase mining revenue after it signed new agreements with four firms. The four firms, Faru Graphite Corporation, Petra Diamonds Ltd, PDL, Niati Mineral Sands Ltd, and Sata Mining Corporation are now expected to invest in the mining sector and execute major projects anticipated to further develop sector as the government eyes an annual injection of $1.2 billion in taxes and royalties. The signing of the new rights, witnessed by President Samia Suluhu at the Julius Nyerere International Convention Center, JNICC, in Dar es Salaam, also saw the four firms issued with trading licenses. Our commitment is to create a ground for a win-win situation. We want Tanzanians to benefit from the country's natural resources that we are blessed by God, President Suluhu said. Tanzania Justice Minister Professor Palamagamba Kabudi said the new development was yet another step towards helping the country's economy to grow further. The government also issued licenses to Nyanzaga Gold Mine, Fungoni Heavy Mineral Sands Project in Kigamboni, Mahenge Graphite Project. It signed a new framework agreement with Petra Diamonds. President Suluhu said agreements were a tangible fruit of the Review of Minerals Laws, which was implemented under President Dr. John Magufuli. In 2017, Parliament passed a series of legislations. For mining companies, the 2017 mining laws introduced a number of new conditions, including a 16% free carried interest for the government and restrictions on the export of raw resources for beneficiation outside Tanzania. So this is two things that Magufuli did before he passed away. Two things as far as the mining industry is concerned. There is a free carried interest that the government has, and it's 16%. And what this means is that the mining companies that can't use loopholes to not pay taxes, which is common with foreign mining companies in Africa. This is because this 16% free carried interest means that they have a guaranteed 16% of the profits that the company makes. And the other thing is they have to add value to whatever they mine before it's exported. From what I get from this is only a certain amount of the mined resources are able to be exported as raw resources, whereas the remainder has to be developed and value has to be added to it before it's exported. In all the companies except the PDL, the government enjoys 16% free carried interest and has agreed on the issue of shares in the mine's holding company, Williamson Diamonds Ltd. Professor Kabudi said, the deal with the London-listed miner will increase the government's interest to 37% from 25%. This means that Petra's stake in the mine will reduce to 63% from 75%. In addition, the two partners have agreed to an economic benefit ratio of 55% for the government and 45% for Petra. On the other hand, the government agreed with Faru Graphite Corporation an economic benefit ratio of 52% for the former, that's the government, and 48% for the latter, the mining company. Tanzania government has expressed confidence in attaining 10% contribution from the mining sector to the gross domestic product come 2025, following positive trend recoded in the past 6 years. Official data have it that the mining sector's contribution to the GDP currently stands at 6.9% to the GDP, up from 4.3% that was recorded in 2014. This is an increase of 77%. The government has issued 20,277 mining licenses to investors. This was driven by enactment of Natural Resources Acts, political will, as well as commitment among public officials and other stakeholders. Mining Minister Dr. Doto Biteko told the East African. So we see from this that Tanzania, at the behest of the late great Dr. Magufuli, is doing great things to its economy, and this situation is with the mining industry to make it bring in 10% as opposed to the 4.6% I think it was in 2014, so doubling the percentage that it contributes to the gross domestic product, which is a lot of money, I'm sure, billions of dollars perhaps, which will mean more schools, more hospitals, etc. So this is a major move that Dr. Magufuli did that is benefiting today the government and economy of Tanzania.